thinnest computer in the world. PCs of this style in the market, but its thickness of just 8.98mm makes it a computer that is, in fact, one of the most slender. It's attractive, with its black aluminum body and a 14-inch touchscreen, with slim bezels. It also has 4G LTE connectivity, and its design integrates an antenna to its compact body. The world of superlight laptops is very populated, but the fact of having the 7th generation of Intel processors. Specifications: 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 256GB SSD, 8GB of memory, 4G LTE connectivity, 14-inch screen Corning Gorilla Glass, screen resolution of 1920x1080 pixels, up to 10 hours of battery, Windows Hello, fingerprint reader. The Swift 7 will go on sale in the United States in April at an initial price of $1,699 US.